Hello friends, welcome to Subhan Tech YouTube channel. This video discuss about by how the Roku Amazon ads partnership is revolutionizing TV ads for Amazon sellers. The Roku Amazon ads partnership is a turning point for enterprise level Amazon sellers. Connected TV, CTV advertising, which means running ads on streaming platforms like Roku, Amazon Prime Video, and other premium apps, is the modern day media advertisement. Yet until now, executing this campaign has been complex due to several reasons. Sellers had to manage multiple platforms piece together, fragmented data, and hope their ads translated into measurable sales. With Roku Amazon Ads partnerships, Amazon DSP now serves as a single gateway to reach over 80% of US connected TV, CTV household thoughts Roku, Amazon Prime, and premium subscription like Disney and Paramount. For the first time, sellers can run TV ads leveraging Amazon's shopper data, turning what was once brand building into a true sales engine. This partnership's bridge has a gap between streaming engagement and real-time retails intent turning TV screens into performance drive sales channels. Amazon adds Roku CTV has officially takes off as of mid last year in 2025. Let's take a look in details at how it can transform a seller experience. Quick guide: what the Roku Amazon Ads partnership actually means. Why Roku Amazon Ads partnerships is a big deal for Amazon sellers. How Amazon sellers can take advantage of Roku Amazon Ads partnership. Challenges and considerations for sellers using Amazon Ads Roku partnerships. Final thoughts: what the Roku Amazon Ads partnership actually means. If you ever dabbled in streaming TV ads, you know the pressure it comes with the juggling multiple platforms, patching together data to have full insight, and then crossing your fingers for campaigns to perform all. It's been powerful in reach but remains messy in executions. This new Roku Amazon Ads partnerships wipes away a lot of that frictions. Here's what it look like. How it works in practice. Amazon DSP acts as a central hub for managing your CTV campaigns, including Roku as a channel. So, thoughts this single platform sellers can access a massive audience across Roku, Amazon's Prime, and Premium subscription like Disney and Paramount without managing multiple ads platform. Leverage Amazon shoppers data to target viewers based on real purchase behavior, browsing history, and shopping intent. Measure performance in real time, connecting ad exposure directly to actions like details, page visits, adds to carts, and purchases. Optimize campaigns efficiency using data driven insight instead of guessing which platforms or audience segments will perform. For the first time, the scale of TV advertising meets the precision of Amazon retail's data. You're not just paying for views, you're running campaigns that can drive tangible sales, turning streaming screens into performance driven channels. Roku benefits from its Amazon partnerships by scaling its ad reach, improving ad targeting and measurements, increasing the attractiveness and value of its ad inventory, and strengthening its platform businesses. The deal helps move Roku further towards being a data and advertising driven streaming ecosystems rather than just a hardware or device company. Why Roku Amazon Ads partnership is a big deal for Amazon sellers. Roku Amazon Ads partnerships fundamentally changes how sellers can approach Amazon advertising, especially for those who are focused on scaling their brands. Here's why each sellers must know about it. Full funnel assess thoughts a single platform. Traditionally, TV advertising is linked with creating brand awareness. You could get your product or message in front of millions of viewers, but it was impossible to judge its effectiveness in terms of sales. With the Roku Amazon Ads partnerships, Amazon DSP now lets sellers reach viewers across Roku devices such as small streaming sticks, set top boxes, and Roku powered smart TVs, Fire TV, and Amazon owned streaming platforms like Prime Video, Freeve, and Twitch. Amazon DSP can now recognize a logged its users even if they switch devices. Say a customer watches a kitchen gadget ad on a Roku TV. Later, she browses the same product her tables or phone via Fire TV, the Roku channel apps, or Amazon.coms. Not only does this behavior get registered, but DSPs know this the same person. Why is it important for sellers? You can target and retarget it more accurately. Now you can show ads to people who stumble across your product but have not yet bought your product. However, it's also important to note that without understanding some level of customer behavior, you won't be able to effectively retarget it. After all, you can't show the same ad repeatedly to the same person unnecessarily. Moreover, it's reduce wasted ad spend on DSP and choose improves ad efficiency. You spend money and reach real potential customers. It is now possible for the sellers to combine traditional brand building tactics with a direct response objectives such as driving traffic to their product details page, generating ads to cart action, or increasing sales. For example, a private label product such as a kitchen gadget brands can show an engaging 15-second ad on the Roku channel to a particular audience, then targeted the same audience account with a sponsored display ad on Amazon.com. This makes moving the users down the conversions funnel pretty seamless. Traditionally, TV ads, including connected TV, were considered brand awareness tools. You could reach millions of viewers, but you could not measure if they actually bought your product. Afterward, with the Roku Amazon ads partnerships, every ad impressions can be linked to actual shopper behavior. Using Amazon DSP Plus Identity Resolution plus Amazon Marketing Cloud AMC, you can see whether viewers of your ad visited your Amazon product page, added items to cart, or completed a purchase. Becomes you can see which ads drive purchases. You can adjust compense while they are running also. If a certain ad creating leads to more conversions, you can allocate more budgets to it. If a particular creative is not performing as planned, so you can pause or tweet it. Better budget efficiency and less waste. Amazon adds Roku CTV partnerships leads to better budget efficiency. For the same ad spends, DSP campaigns now reach significantly more individuals users than traditional ads campaigns. This is particularly useful for sellers with limited ad budgets, allowing them to maximize reach without increasing cost. Our exposures can annoying viewers after all who would want to see repeated ads. This over time can reduce effectiveness. This new Roku Amazon ads partnerships uses identify resolutions to avoid showing the same ads too often to the same account, proving ad quality perception. and increasing engagement. Essentially, sellers get more impact per dollars spent at RCs by the rights, and you can see worse betters targeted, ultimately leading to the higher gross returns to ad spends. One of the biggest advantages of this Roku Amazon ads partnerships is that you can see the full customers. The best part is that sellers can also target its premium apps straps to benefits from the Roku Amazon ads partnerships. Challenges and considerations for sellers using Amazon ads Roku partnerships. Creating creative quality matters more than ever. Unlike BBC ads, TV ads are full screen, high impact campaigns in the dark, the DCB learning curve. In short, Roku Amazon ads partnerships turning the biggest screen in the house in commerce. Post right and bias leaves. सो आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं आपको अगली वीडियो के लिए, तब तक के लिए बाय.